I recently invested in the Osmo Pocket 3. I've been seeing it like all over TikTok, so I was like, I have to get one. One of my DJ friends uses it to record her sets, and her videos on social media looked so good. So I was like, let me do it. Let me invest. And I'll walk you guys through it right now. Really cool camera. It has like these gimbals, so you can use it and adjust the angle. It's really unique. You can shoot in vertical or horizontal for like YouTube mixes. It has low light settings. So in a nightclub, I found that it records in low light very well. I also bought the creator combo. So this is like a power bank, and you just basically plug it into the camera. I used this last weekend and recorded like 3.5 hours of DJ sets, and the battery pack ended up dying, but my camera still had like 60% of video left, so I probably could have recorded for like another hour. Camera's like amazing, and the quality is so good. It's gimbals like up and down, so I can make sure I get like a good angle for socials. And I love that I could shoot in horizontal, which I usually do because I'll upload my mixes to YouTube, but you can also just shoot vertically. So if I'm just filming stuff for social media, like easy, done, amazing. Highly recommend. I also filmed a set in Puerto Rico. That's also on YouTube, and it was in the sun for like an hour and didn't even overheat. So definitely, if you're looking to invest in a camera, I would say the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 creator combo comes with all the accessories, is really worth it, and you won't have to hire videographers for every set to get content. Hope this helps.